I'm in the Cybertruck with everyone, and we're kind of moving out here to my left where you can see the Cyber Factory. We're basically heading there because I don't like that I can't see out of the rear view mirror anymore, but I turned this on and now I can see perfectly well. So let's just take a look inside. You can see that the screen is similar to some of the other Tesla screens. You have a camera, which I wiped off, but it's kind of miserable, foggy mud all over the place. That's kind of like the deal over there if we turn on the turn signals. So I'm going to turn this one on, and you can see that my view, we're discussing a bombshell in today's exciting episode that has the potential to send Tesla stock plunging to unprecedented heights in this engrossing video. We delve into Sandy Munro's expert analysis of Tesla's future. Sandy Munro is known for his meticulous teardowns and unbiased automotive insights. But hold on tight, what he's about to reveal isn't just about numbers and charts, it's a story of groundbreaking technology and visionary strategies that could send Tesla's stock to another planet. As we navigate this maze of technological prowess and strategic foresight, Munro reveals the game-changing innovations within Tesla that have the potential to revolutionize not only the automotive industry but also the stock market. We learn how Tesla's advancements might not only propel their vehicles, but also their stock value to as high as astronomical levels. Prepare to be astounded as we unravel how Tesla might come to represent unparalleled prosperity on Earth and beyond. But before we do so, please remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Welcome to Tesla Hype. Let's get started. In this video, we explore the incredible technological achievements made by Tesla, a subject that has drawn interest from both industry insiders and tech enthusiasts. The revelation is based on a thorough examination of Tesla's Model 3, a car that, despite its flaws on the outside, revealed groundbreaking innovations when its body was disassembled. These innovations in Tesla's electronics are not only remarkable but also represent a significant advancement in automotive technology, outperforming even the most sophisticated Department of Defense projects. Tesla is leading the way in this revolution, and EVs represents a turning point in the history of automobiles. Modern technology is incorporated into every aspect of Tesla's vehicles, from body control modules to inverters, reflecting a level of development that is allegedly 10 years ahead of the competition. This superiority extends beyond hardware, as Tesla's applications stand out for their exceptional dependability and user-friendliness, in sharp contrast to the frequently frustrating experiences with applications from other manufacturers. Beyond just technology, Tesla's impact is felt throughout the automotive industry. The company's vertical integration approach to manufacturing has reduced shortages and increased profits in the fiercely competitive American market, where Tesla has a dominant share. It is evident that Tesla is doing more than just making cars, it is changing the automotive landscape. What was once thought to be a futuristic vision is now a reality, setting a high standard for others in the industry. The future of electric vehicles appears bright, and Tesla is leading the charge to push the envelope in automotive technology. In a move that indicates substantial changes in the industry, Stantis, a prominent player, has announced the closure of its stamping facilities in Warren, affecting over 1,500 jobs. This development is covered in today's automotive news. With immediate effect, this decision creates chances for other businesses, particularly Tesla, to grow their presence. How Tesla is utilizing these shifts in the industry goes beyond simple growth to redefine the electric vehicle market. The company's vision at EVs includes increasing production capacity to facilitate the transition to more environmentally benign, economical, and customer-friendly transportation solutions. In addition to satisfying current demand, Tesla also hopes to attract and build a market that is becoming more conscious of environmental issues and technical advancements. The increasing demand for Tesla vehicles is correlated with global awareness. As nations establish aggressive goals to phase out gasoline-powered vehicles, there is a growing awareness of the significance of lowering carbon emissions and boosting green energy. Tesla's significance as a symbol of a shift towards a more sustainable future, in addition to being a maker of EVs, only grows. While Tesla ramps up production, efforts are being made to make EVs more affordable for the average consumer. This includes lowering the price of batteries, which are the most expensive part of EVs, and improving the longevity and performance of their cars. Tesla's growth is not just about quantity, it's also about quality and affordability. Additionally, Tesla's growth provides access to new markets and demographics. They can serve a wider audience in terms of geographical as well as a range of customer wants and preferences by expanding output. Strategy involves introducing many models that are suited to various budgets and lifestyles, which makes Tesla a more inclusive brand. While many vehicles have high-quality technology, users are frequently disappointed by the software experience offered by Tesla, setting it apart from other manufacturers in this area, but as it prepares for. What may be a significant expansion, Tesla excels in this area, offering a seamless interface between the driver and the vehicle, a testament to its dual identity as a car and a tech company. The emphasis is not just on the tangible aspects of manufacturing, such as acquiring new facilities or optimizing material usage. The company's commitment to improving the software experience, the crucial driver-machine interface, remains a major focus. What distinguishes Tesla in the automobile business and turns their vehicles into a comprehensive driving experience rather than just a means of transportation is their dedication to excellence in both hardware and software. Let's examine Tesla's groundbreaking manufacturing method in more detail, paying particular attention to how it produces parts for the Cybertruck. This synopsis provides us with an insight into the cutting-edge technology and productivity that Tesla uses on their manufacturing line. Before it reaches the crucial step of the process, the raw material, also known as a coil, is loaded and unwound in an uncoiler. It next passes through a leveler or straightener too. Ensure it is absolutely flat. Here, Tesla uses a novel approach to cutting, employing two tandem lasers in a sealed, light-tight booth. These lasers aren't just any old ones, though they're the first of their kind to cut at up to 30 microns, which is a big improvement over the standard 1 mm cutting capabilities. The creation of the Cybertruck's hood is one of the most intriguing parts of this process, tighter nesting. And optimal material use are made possible by the use of specialized coils for various products, which also drastically minimizes waste, displaying Tesla's dedication to sustainability and efficiency. When considering Tesla's marketing tactics and technological innovations, one can't help but question if anyone else shares similar excitement for the company's future. Seeking alpha is a priceless resource for anyone looking for the next big chance in the stock market, and their experts have the answers for those who are optimistic on Tesla. It is a priceless find. A wealth of information about the growth trajectory of Tesla, stock price projections, groundbreaking innovations, and Elon Musk's visionary leadership, who is recognized as one of the most trustworthy internet sources for news about Tesla. Don't miss out on Seeking Alpha's perceptive analysis, as they provide concise, fact-based news that cuts through the clutter of mainstream media. Stay up to date on stock market movements in the world of Tesla by clicking the link in the description to receive an exclusive offer. Let's shift our focus to Tesla's market influence. Despite a spike in demand for electric vehicles, the firm remains at the top of the electric vehicle market. Tesla is leading the way and profiting handsomely from its large market share. Since the Model S to the Model Y, Tesla has focused on innovation and diversity in its business strategy. Each vehicle represents the company's commitment to performance and an unmatched driving experience. This dedication has solidified Tesla's reputation as the leader in innovative electric car technology going forward. According to public transportation analyst Dave Lee, Tesla's ambitious third master plan entails extending its range to include passenger and commercial vans as well. As a bus, all powered by sustainable battery technology. This expansion is a calculated move to meet a wider range of transportation needs rather than just introducing new cars to the lineup. Encourage Tesla to sell an incredible 20 million cars by the end of the decade. It's evident that Tesla, a pioneer in the electric vehicle sector, has more ambitious goals in mind, like lowering the cost of EVs and hastening the shift to cleaner transportation. This action is in keeping with the growing demand for electric vehicles, which analysts believe will eventually match or even lower petrol car prices. The possibility of a cheaper Tesla vehicle is exciting enthusiasts and industry watchers. A number of variables, including its growing competition, government incentives, and declining costs for lithium and other battery materials, are driving this growth. These developments are opening up EVs to a wider audience and may mark a tipping point where electric vehicles become the norm. In 2012, for example, global EV purchases doubled from 3 million to about 6.6 million, demonstrating a significant movement towards clean energy and sustainable transportation. The market's response to these advances has been overwhelmingly positive. This movement represents a change in how people view and utilize vehicles, not merely a fleeting fad. Tesla's CEO Elon Musk has stated that the company's goal of producing 20 million cars by 2030 could be met with a diverse range of 10 vehicle models, including the highly anticipated Cybertruck and Semi. This is part of the company's strategy to meet the growing demand, in order to meet its target of 20 million cars by 2030, Tesla will need to build and operationalize 12 to 14 new gigafactories within the next few years, given that it usually takes the company 3 years from announcement to production at a new site. The company faces a tight timeline to establish these new facilities, as Tesla is preparing to introduce its next-generation vehicle, which will have a smaller footprint and will allow for faster production improvements than its current model. Currently, Tesla's gigafactories are key assets in scaling up production. Each existing and new factory, like the one planned in Mexico, has the potential to produce 1 million cars annually. This innovation is a critical step in Tesla's plan to lower the cost and increase the accessibility of electric vehicles. The availability of raw materials, particularly for the production of lithium-ion batteries, has been a major element in the expansion of the electric vehicle EV sector. By 2030, however, as automakers fight globally for resources to satisfy their production needs, the production of lithium will become even more crucial. As battery technology advances and offers more energy efficiency with less materials, Tesla will need to capture a sizable piece of the global raw material supply to compete in this market. By 2030, it is unlikely that these innovations will become commonplace, but demand for Tesla vehicles is still predicted to be strong. Elon Musk emphasized the strong consumer desire to acquire a Tesla at a recent Tesla Investor Day. The primary obstacle being affordability. In response, Tesla is concentrating on cutting expenses to increase accessibility to their vehicles. It's fascinating to note that even modest price reductions can greatly increase demand. The factor becomes especially compelling when car prices approach $220,000, which is the point at which a Tesla would be affordable for almost everyone in the US and many other countries. Although Elon Musk has described Tesla's goal of producing 20 million cars by 2030 as aspirational, this approach tempers expectations without lessening the company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the EV market. The journey ahead for Tesla is undoubtedly exciting, and its potential to revolutionize the automotive industry remains high. As we continue to monitor Tesla's progress, the role of technology in their cars and their impact on the market will be key areas of interest. What are your thoughts on this? Before we part ways, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Tesla Hype. Feel free to leave your thoughts and observations in the comments section below. We appreciate you viewing, and we hope to see you in our upcoming videos.